So the default Vivid filter was once on your iPhone but disappeared after the recent updates. So here's how to bring it back on your iPhone Air and apply that to your recent or older photos as well. So make sure to stay till the end to check out both the process. So first off, when you take a photo like this, and maybe you're trying to edit it to put Vivid filter on it, but as you can see, all you can find is the new styles option, which is filter, by the way, but there is no Vivid filter in this list of filters. So to bring it back once again, all you gotta do is just open settings and scroll down and go to camera, scroll down to formats, and here simply switch the high efficiency option to most compatible. Now to apply this, I'm gonna just force quit this section. And next, I'm going to open camera. I'm taking a photo. And now if I go to previews, from there the edit option, as you can see, there it is, the old classic filter option. Just tap on it. And then if you swipe left, the second one is your Vivid filter. You can just go ahead, press done to set and save it. Now, if you have a bunch of photos in your gallery taken with the most compatible option on, you will notice the Vivid filter is still not there when you're trying to apply it. So what you're going to do is just whatever photo you just set the Vivid filter. So let's go ahead and open it up. Tap on these three dots. From this menu, just tap on Copy Edit. Make sure the filter button is on and then just press OK. Now get out of here and go back to your gallery. You can select one or multiple photos that you want to set Vivid into. Tap on these three dots. And from this drop-down menu, just hit Test Edit. And that's the correct way to get the Vivid filter back and apply it to your old or new photos on your iPhone Air. Thanks for watching.